Hey everyone, it's CXDFGH. Welcome back to the channel, where we hunt down the best deals and savings so you never miss out. If you love scoring huge bargains and stretching your dollar, you're in the right place. March 2026 is bringing some of the biggest markdowns we've ever seen at Costco. From jaw-dropping price cuts to exclusive in-store offers, this month is packed with opportunities to save big on everything you need. Some of these deals are so hot, they'll disappear fast, so you need to act quick. Trust me, these clearance finds are flying off the shelves, and you don't want to miss out on the best bargains before they're gone. In this video, I'm revealing 28 mega Costco clearance deals you need to buy right now. I've scoured the aisles and checked every corner to bring you the absolute best markdowns available this month. We're talking discontinued kitchen appliances, patio furniture on closeout, surprise electronics price drops, and hidden in-warehouse markdowns. There's something for every shopper, whether you're looking for home upgrades or tech gadgets. Whether you're upgrading your home, restocking your pantry, or just love a good deal, I've got you covered with the ultimate Costco clearance guide. Get ready to fill your cart with savings. Stick around for the full breakdown before your next Costco run. Let's get you the biggest savings this March. Grab your shopping list and let's dive into these unbeatable deals together. Let's kick things off by diving into the world of discontinued kitchen appliances, one of the best-kept secrets for bargain hunters at Costco. This March, I stumbled upon some truly insane deals on blenders, coffee makers, and air fryers, many of them marked down by over 50%. These discounts aren't just a few dollars off. We're talking about serious savings that can make a real difference for your wallet. And it's not just the lesser-known brands on clearance. We're talking big names like Vitamix and Ninja, premium appliances that rarely go on sale, now available at a fraction of their original price. The reason? Manufacturers are rolling out new versions and updated models, so Costco slashes prices on last year's inventory to make room for the latest releases. It's the perfect time to upgrade your kitchen without breaking the bank. Here's a pro tip. Look for price tags ending in 97 or 00. That's Costco's secret code for clearance items, signaling you're getting the lowest possible price on these appliances. Don't wait too long. These deals are incredibly popular, and appliances are flying off the shelves faster than you might expect. If you spot something you need, grab it before it's gone. Next up, seasonal patio furniture is on deep discount. I spotted luxury outdoor sectionals and dining sets marked down by hundreds of dollars. These end-of-season markdowns are limited. Once they're gone, they're gone. Check the patio furniture aisle ASAP for unbeatable deals. Now let's talk about those surprise electronics price drops that can make your shopping trip way more exciting. Costco is famous for dropping prices on select gadgets out of nowhere, often without any warning or announcement. On my last visit, I found smart TVs, wireless headphones, and even gaming consoles with prices slashed by up to 40%. These aren't just small markdowns, they're major savings you might not expect. Some of these deals are on the latest models, not just older stock, with surprise markdowns to help move inventory quickly and make room for new arrivals. Be sure to check the end caps for those yellow manager's special tags. These deals aren't advertised in flyers or online, so you have to spot them in person. If you've been waiting for the perfect moment to upgrade your tech, now's the time to score big on unexpected bargains. Let's talk about hidden in-warehouse markdowns on TVs. I found 4K smart TVs and big screen models with prices quietly dropped by hundreds. Look for price tags ending in 97, Costco's secret code for clearance. Check every aisle for last year's models and open box deals. These hidden markdowns can save you big, if you know where to look. Refresh your bedroom with clearance bedding sets this month. I saw luxury sheets, comforters, and plush blankets marked down by 30–60%. Many are last season's designs or limited patterns. Once they're gone, they're gone. You can find everything from Egyptian cotton to cozy flannel. Limited sizes and patterns go fast, so check your local warehouse soon. Grill Masters, March brings epic clearance deals on outdoor grills. Last year's top-rated grills are marked down by $100, $200 or more, just in time for grilling season. Inventory is limited, so act now if you want a high-end grill for less. Fitness goals? Costco's got major discounts on treadmills, bikes, and free weights this month. These are brand-name products marked down by 20–50%. Head to the back of the warehouse and look for 97 price tags and demo models. These deals get snatched up quickly. Don't miss out. With warmer weather coming, Costco is clearing out winter apparel at deep discounts. Designer coats, boots, and fleece-lined leggings are up to 70% off. High-quality name-brand items, perfect for stocking up for next winter. The best sizes and styles go first, so don't wait. Snack lovers, discontinued snack packs are a hidden gem this March. Unique flavors and snack varieties are being phased out, sometimes at half price or less. Check the snack aisle for end cap displays and manager's special stickers. These deals are perfect for school lunches or road trips, but they go fast. Spring break is coming. Score big on markdown luggage sets. Hard-side spinners, carry-ons, and duffels are marked down by 30–50%. These stylish, durable sets won't last long with travel picking up. Check the center aisles for the best markdowns before they're gone. Home decor lovers, Costco is clearing out unique pieces at steep discounts. Framed art, vases, and accent furniture are slashed by 40% or more. These are limited runs or seasonal styles. Grab them before they're gone. Look for clearance tables or last chance sections near the front. Small kitchen gadgets are another hot clearance category this month. Electric can openers, toasters, and food processors are marked down by 20–40%. Look for deals in the kitchenware aisle, especially on lower shelves and end caps. Stock up now before your favorites are gone for good. Love a clean house? Costco's marked down cleaning supplies are a steal. Bulk packs of cleaners, wipes, and detergent are up to 30% off. Check the cleaning aisle for oversized packages and clearance tags. Perfect for spring cleaning. These deals won't last. Parents, Costco's clearance toys and games are a goldmine right now. Puzzles, board games, and action figures are marked down by 40–60%. Look for last chance bins and clearance end caps in the toy section. The selection changes daily, so check back often for the best finds. Heading back to work or school? Discounted office supplies are a must-grab. Printer paper, pens, and ergonomic chairs are marked down by 25–50%. These deals are tucked away in the office aisle. Don't skip it. Need to get organized? Markdown storage solutions are everywhere at Costco this March. Heavy-duty bins, stackable shelves, and closet organizers are up to 40% off. Look for end cap displays and clearance aisles for the best bargains. Sizes and colors are limited, so grab what you need before it's gone. Beauty lovers, Costco's clearance beauty products include top brands at prices you won't believe. Skincare sets, hair tools, and makeup kits are marked down by up to 50%. Check the beauty section for limited time offers and discontinued lines. Inventory is limited. Act fast before these finds disappear. Stocking up on vitamins and supplements? March is your month. Multivitamins, protein powders, and wellness boosters are up to 60% off on special clearance racks. Check expiration dates and grab these deals before they're gone. Pet owners, Costco has marked down pet supplies, dog beds, cat furniture, and premium food at low prices. Some items are discontinued, others are seasonal overstock. Look for clearance tags in the pet aisle. These markdowns don't last. Spring is coming, and Costco is clearing out last season's garden tools at deep discounts. Pruners, hoses, and power tools like leaf blowers are marked down by up to 50%. Look for clearance tables and open box deals for extra savings. These markdowns go fast as people prep for planting season. Get your car ready for spring with discounted car care products at Costco. Car wax, washer fluid, and microfiber towels are marked down by 20–40%. Stock up now. These products won't last long on the shelves. Shoe lovers, don't miss Costco's markdown footwear this March. Running shoes, sandals, and work boots are up to 60% off. Top brands, limited selection. The best sizes disappear quickly, so act fast. Bookworms, Costco's clearance books and magazines section is packed with deals. Bestsellers, cookbooks, and kids' titles are marked down by 30–60%. Look for clearance bins and special markdown displays near the front.